In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate in Pixlr, whether you're straightening a photo, flipping an image for a design, or just fixing something that was taken sideways on your phone. Knowing how to rotate in Pixlr is a really handy basic skill. I'll walk you through the whole process from the moment you open Pixlr, so even if you're new to this editor, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your browser and head over to the Pixlr website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you can quickly create one or continue with a guest session, depending on what Pixlr is currently allowing. Once you're logged in and you see your Pixlr dashboard, look for the option called Pixlr Editor. This is the more advanced editor inside Pixlr that gives you full control over your images. Click on Pixlr Editor to open it. You'll now need to bring your image into the editor. You can either upload a new image from your computer or choose an existing file if you already have one in your Pixlr library. Once selected, Pixlr will open that image inside the editor workspace, where you'll see the main canvas in the center and toolbars around it. Now let's rotate. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the menu labeled Image. Click on Image and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, move your mouse over the option called Canvas Rotation. Don't click yet. Just hover so that the rotation options expand. Here, Pixlr gives you several choices. You can rotate left, which usually means rotating the image 90 degrees counterclockwise. You can rotate right, which rotates it 90 degrees clockwise. You can also flip horizontal, which mirrors your image from left to right, and flip vertical, which mirrors it from top to bottom. Think of rotate left and rotate right as turning the entire picture, while flip horizontal and flip vertical act like reflections in a mirror. Click on the option that best fits what you need. As soon as you select it, Pixlr will automatically apply that rotation or flip to the entire canvas. Take a moment to check that the image is now oriented the way you want. If you change your mind, you can always use the undo command or simply choose another rotation from the same menu. And that's it. You've successfully rotated your image in Pixlr using the canvas rotation options.